This is a video of do-it-yourself cheek rise for the Mossberg 30-06. Since the scope is on a 1-inch high rise scope mounts, my view originally was from here, which I was looking at the barrel here, so I had to build it up with my view now is right to the scope. So what I did was I went into Ace Hardware and bought from these foam pads that go over piping for insulation, and I cut it to size, and I use that for top part here. It's in there. I formed it, and then I got an Ace knee brace. It's a neoprene stretchy material. And I put it on, and it fit perfectly. And then I sewed the bottom here so it fit tight. And then what I did was this. I took the ammo box, and this is where the ammo sits inside the box, and I cut it in half, and I filed everything down, make it smooth. And what I did was I zip tied it to the foam, or to the brace. Here is a zip tie here, and then one here, and then I made kind of a sleeve, kind of loose, just to hold it from flapping around from the top. And that is perfect how it sits. Cut the hole for the bottom so it can come through. And this costs me under $15 a make, and they go for about 30 bucks. And this is custom.